Do you know what the school musical this year is?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Willy Wonka.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Willy Wonka.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Oh, isn't it Willy Wonka?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka.
I'm very excited for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
You can just tell there's like a real energy in the school.
I'll definitely be going to see it. Yeah.
I'm really keen. I'm definitely going to go.
Yeah.
Be the front seat, you know, front row.
I'm so excited.
Save me a seat, I'll be there. So excited.
Beyond excitement, yeah.
So excited.
So excited.
Hey! Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Today we're at the English block and we're on the search for Mrs. Ma, our producer. Come on. Hi everyone, I'm Harriet Coates and today I want to be interviewing Mrs. Ma, our producer for our 2024 musical, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Hello, Mrs. Ma.
Hello, thank you for having me.
No, thank you for being here. As a producer, what does your job entail?
Ooh, I send a lot of emails. I reply to a lot of emails. I follow up on a lot of emails. I have done the ordering for some costumes and I sign off on how we're spending our money.
How's the show looking from behind the scenes?
So good. I haven't actually been to a rehearsal yet, but I hear it is fantastic. I have seen a couple of dance rehearsals. Looking good. Every time I've been, they've gotten better. But I have seen the costumes and they are amazing.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. This has been delightful.